I'm Lisa here at Knitty Kitty, and it's been a while since I've created a post, so I wanted to let you know what's going on with Knitty Kitty. Last December, my factory let me know that they could no longer produce my knit line, and well, I was devastated. I was so upset, especially since I had just returned to production after being shut down the previous year due to COVID, and then 6 months later, my factory informs me that my knits are so technical that it requires specialized knitters that were hard to consistently find to do production. So I didn't know what to do. I was not sure if Knitty Kitty could continue. So I shut down my website for a couple months to commiserate. And while I was feeling sorry for myself, I continued to design and knit because that's what I love to do. And I came up with a line that my factory could knit. So I'm pleased to say I'm back here in Bali. And that means I have a new line that will be coming out for spring summer, and it will be available on my website at knittykitty.com later in April. And it's because of all the messages I received from you asking for Knitty Kitty that has motivated me to continue. I really appreciate your support, and thank you. I love my customers, I love Knitty Kitty, and I'm super excited to share with you new things coming. So stay tuned, and thanks!